some cocktails, but I don't have any tamarind. Like, I have tamarind sauce, I have tamarind jam, but I need like some actual tamarind, like the fruit. So we going in Fox Hill to get some tamarind for cocktails. I had to put in the glasses. Fox Hill is one of these traditional, you know, one of the oldest communities in the Bahamas, well, in New Providence in particular, because you can have people that can trace their descendants to the Congo tribes, the Yoruba tribes of Africa in this space. It's a settlement that's rich with history, and if you want to find fruit, if you want to find seasonal fruits, if you want to be really engrossed in the heritage of the Bahamas as experienced by the descendants of the people that settled here first, you definitely want to go into Fox Hill. So don't mind my bushings making noise. You know, I'm a woman. I ain't gonna do that. So we're headed south on Fox Hill. I came from the north, and you know, as you pass, you could see like, you know, dilly trees and stuff like that. Ain't nobody mango tree on the main road for obvious reasons. Takeaways where people added onto their homes. You have Nango Town, which was on our right hand side, and this is the historic Fox Hill Park. And so for our Emancipation holiday, you're going to see lots of people on Fox Hill Park. Like, they closed the streets down. It's more than just a street festival, and I'll tell you a little bit about that in our Emancipation Day episode. So, oh my goodness, this lady got kidnapped. So let me signal. All right, so what I could do is I can get some ganap. Thank you.
You're welcome, and remember now, it's 1 for 2 and 3 for 5.
Okay, so y'all, I got ganap, so we can eat some ganap today while I go look for some tamarind. Now, Miss Brown here at Fox Hill Park, she don't like to be on camera, but she says she can have my tamarind in the morning. All right? But look here, let me show you how this is a silk cotton tree, right? I think that's what this is. Yeah, this is the silk cotton tree here. This where people is come and hang out, you know, in Fox Hill from time to time. And then you look, you see there's a swing, but look at the mural. That's the Junkanoo people on the mural. I love it here. Yeah, Miss Brown didn't have no tamarind, so let's see if we can find somebody with tamarind on Fox Hill. And I have the camera up in the sky because I want y'all to see the people license plate too clearly. And sometimes you would have people here selling stuff. So on the right hand side, yeah, so right after here, you would see that this is normally where there's a farmer's market. Well, that was last year before the pandemic. So there was a farmer's market there, and every Saturday you could go there instead of Gladstone Road for some of the things that you like. Y'all, I a little sad though. Like, my little spontaneous self ain't find no tamarind in Fox Hill. So we could either wait for tomorrow morning after 9, or we could try some. Plot twist. My cousin and Lizzie got some sour tamarind, and that is perfect. I ain't even dressed to be outside, but my cousins say they got tamarind. Hey, how you doing? Come on then. Hi. Okay, I got one second. Don't worry, I come in for y'all. Oh no! This one come off, so you gotta eat it.
It's sour though.
That's what.
They used to say you make tamarind sauce with.
And juice with. See, you're a smart woman. Okay. I have to pull them off like this. Yeah, they're sour. Woo!
Yeah.
Sharp.
They sour too.
Okay.
You gotta scald them off twice, and then they come sweet. You know, bag in there.
They're perfect for lemonade though.
Lemonade.
They good for lemonade, y'all.
You gotta show me how to make them.
Let me just add.
Lemonade.
Oh, I'm dropping all the time, man.
Go in my room, right to the door. Bring one of them bags. You can see a couple bags in one. Bring one for.
I
You don't want a big bag.
of the sauce.
One, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, y'all. Operation Tamarind. Success. Look at that.